Hey, what's up guys, this is Neshek from blog2.com and this is a very special video because for the first time we are going to create a listing and a directory website which we haven't done earlier in any of this video. Okay, so guys, this is the website which we have created. As you can see on your screens, this is an amazing, beautiful, super awesome, super professional website, and let me show you this. This is foursquare.com, and as you can see at the background there is a full width image, and at the top there is a professional search bar, and below that there are a few different categories. And here this is the yelp.com. Here also at the background we have a full width image, then on that we have a professional and really awesome looking search bar, and then few categories. So for our website we have put a background image, a professional background image, really awesome beautiful image in the background, and a awesome professional beautiful search bar on top. And then we have few categories over here. So basically what I mean to say is that we have followed the procedure, the model, the design of these big companies which spend thousands of dollars on research and development to find what really works for them, and if that works for them, then this should also work for us. Okay, so basically we have followed that design. Now let me show you how our website looks like. So this is the section which we have seen. Now when we scroll down, we have this region section. Okay, so we have 4 different regions over here: Los Angeles, New York, Chicago. When you click on Los Angeles, you will see listings which are basically based or located in that particular place. Okay, now when we scroll down, we have this section. This is a very basic and very important section which says claim and get started today. It motivates the user, the visitor, to put their business, to register their business on our website, and we can promote their website, and we can also make customers convert to their listing. Okay, so this is really important. Then we have this listing. We have 3 different listing on top page, and as you can see, ad is written beside all these 3, because these 3 are ads, and we are also providing ads. So suppose someone wants to promote their listing, promote their business, then they can pay some extra money, and we'll put these kinds of ads on our website for them. This is not Google ad or something, this is our listing only, but we have provided some premium facilities for these guys because they are paying more. So from this website you can also earn good amount of money from your clients after giving them good service. Okay, now at the bottom we have this testimonial section. At the left side we have a video testimonial. When we click on this, the video plays, and at the right side we have a text, the normal testimonial section. Okay, then we have this footer, the basic footer, copyright, and your address, phone number, social icons, and so on. Okay, so this is the search bar. When you click on this, you already get these options, and when you type something, you can get all these options, different options below this. So let's select hotels and click on search. Okay, so this is our listing search page. Again, an awesome and professional page. As you can see at the right side, we have the map, and we have some markers over here. When we click on this marker, we get this thing pops up, the name of this business, the address, and so on. Same thing over here. And here we have those different listings. We can also sort it by different criteria over here, where if you want to show only those listings which are open right now, then we can click on this open now, and if you want highest rated, then we can click on. So we can sort it by different criteria over here. Okay, now let's come back to our home page. Scroll down and open any one of the single listing to see how a single listing looks like. Okay, so we are opening this, the Mark Hotel. Okay guys, so this is how your single listing will look like. At the top as a header we have different images. These images are actually uploaded by the user, the visitor, or the one who owns this listing. Okay, they also put this thing, the title, subtitle, and we can put this thing, this tick mark besides their name, so that we can say, yeah, we have checked everything and this is a genuine person. Okay, we can also submit a rating, which is very important. the user or the owner of this listing can also provide a video link, so that to YouTube or to any different platform, so that they can have the people who are visiting this listing, they can be satisfied to see that video. Okay, then we have a description over here, and we have some different features. So you can put in features with different icons, which really looks beautiful. Okay, then we have some facts. It asks, does it has car parking, and the answer is yes. So you can have different facts, you can have many multiple facts. So there, this is how the rating looks like. Very awesome, really professional. You can have your what you want to say, you can have it over here. You can also upload some images. So you basically want to show that, yeah, I went to that place, and these are the images from that place. So this is a genuine place, or this is a genuine listing. Not only that, even different users, different visitor can rate this particular review. Okay, so they can say, yeah, this is interesting, lol, love, and so on. Okay, and this is the sidebar. At the top we have this timetable. Today it is day off. Okay, so because it's Sunday for these guys. Okay, so then in Monday this is the timing, and so on. Okay, then we have this map over here. We have the address, phone number, website. You can hide the phone number if you want, it's all up to you. Then this is the pricing. It says it is moderately priced. Okay, then we have some additional details. For example, you can provide additional details, whether your listing or your business has bike parking and so on, whether you accept bitcoins or not. So you can provide different options to the user. Then you have a contact page where if the user or the visitor who is seeing your listing, he wants to contact you, then he can mail to the admin. So basically the website owner, the admin, is the middleman between the visitor and the listing owner. Okay, so this is really important. Then at the bottom we have this ad section. As I told you, you can charge premium prices to different customers, and we can feature their product, for example, over here in sidebar and at the home page, as you saw earlier. Okay, so this is how a single listing looks like. And when we click on this button which says add listing, we'll see how a user will be able to add the listing. Okay, so let's see that page also. Very important page. It has to be something good. Okay, when someone does that, they get 3 different options, 3 different plans: basic, advanced, and professional. Like we get everywhere different plans with different features. One feature plan having this feature, another one having that feature. So basic plan has some feature, and most of the important features are not available. And then we have advanced plan, which is recommended by the admin. Okay, here also we don't have all the features. And in the professional plan, which is $10 per listing. So for providing one particular listing, they will have to pay $10. Obviously, it's all up to you to change the prices and change all these features, whether you want to enable them to add your features or not. You can also make this thing free. So you can have this, instead of $5, the basic plan can be for free. It's all up to you. Okay, so let's select this one, the advanced one, and click on continue. Okay guys, once you do so, you'll be redirected to this page. This is a page where the user will be putting the title, subtitle, the city, phone number, all the details which are required for showing a listing on your website. And here there's an image. This is really helpful. This is really awesome. Great work done by the theme developer. This is the image where it shows whether you are putting your title and subtitle here. It will be shown on the website. Your contact details will be shown over here. Similarly, they have repeated this procedure, and this really makes this theme awesome, outstanding. And when they click on save and preview, they'll see a preview of how their site or how their listing will look like on the website. And after when they are satisfied, they can check out, they can pay the price, and their listing will be sent to the admin. And you, as an admin or the website owner, can accept or neglect that rating, or you can provide some suggestions. You can, for example, the images are not so clear, so you can provide some suggestions. Give some really good images so that you'll convert more customers. I'll show you how this checkout thing at the end of this video. Okay, so basically I think we have seen everything. Now let's get started. I hope you guys like this demo website. This demo website is really awesome. As I showed you, we are following some really good design and model by different giant companies. Okay.